The tools you will need are crosshead screwdriver, 4 8x1" wood tapping screws, an 8mm deep socket and wrench, a pencil, a ruler. You will also need to buy the stud-fast shower valve mounting bracket. You can find the Vardo shower valve depth calculator in the Vardo Trade Guide and Specification Manual, along with all relevant shower valve installation depths. This information will soon be available on the Vardo website as well. Fit the shower valve to the bracket using the washers and nuts provided. Tighten the nuts using an 8mm deep socket and wrench. Once measurement D from the shower valve depth calculator has been established, you can fit the stud fast onto the stud at depth D. Mark 2 points down the stud with a pencil at the depth of D on both left and right sides of the stud. Insert the bracket into the stud, making sure that the bends on the adjustable wings line up with these pencil lines. Then firmly fix in place using wood screws. Please note that if you're using metal stud work, then suitable fixings other than wood screws will be required.